Welcome back, folks. Today we're diving straight into Honda's 2026 lineup, the future of driving packed with innovation, power, and that signature Honda reliability. No fluff, just the facts and thrills to get your wheels turning. Let's kick off with the ultimate family hauler, the 2026 Honda Odyssey. This minivan seats up to 8 with those genius Magic Slide second-row seats that slide, swivel, and make every road trip a breeze. Under the hood, a punchy 280 horsepower 3.5-liter V6 engine teams up with a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission, hitting 60 mph in about 6.4 seconds while sipping fuel at 19 city and 28 highway mpg. Inside, it's a tech haven. A massive 12.8-inch rear entertainment screen keeps the kids glued. Cabin watch camera and cabin talk intercom let you chat without shouting. And the 9-inch touchscreen handles wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto like a pro. Safety's locked in with Honda sensing, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring. Exterior gets a fresh grille, LED headlights, and bold 19-inch wheels in colors like smoke blue pearl and solar silver metallic. Trims from Sport to Elite offer heated leather seats, wireless charging, and a power liftgate. Starting at $42,795 up to $51,695, the Odyssey proves minivans can be fun. Spacious cargo when the third row folds flat, quiet ride, and effortless handling for daily chaos. Next up, the adrenaline rush 2025 Honda Civic Type R.